Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we're going to be making stuffed baby onions, also known as shallots. In this recipe, we're going to make different and tasty stuffed baby onions, also known as shallots. This recipe is made by stuffing a gram flour based masala inside the onions. This is very easy to make and can be enjoyed with chapatis or with rice. Its gravy is very simple and yet very, very tasty. So let's get cooking and get ready for a delightful dinner. Today we will need 8 to 10 curry leaves, half a tablespoon of nigella seeds, 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon of hing, also known as asafoetida powder, 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon dry fenugreek leaves, also known as kasturi methi, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 big finely chopped tomato, 2 tablespoons grounded peanuts, 2 tablespoons gram flour, 3 tablespoons sunflower oil, my mum's special spice box, and 300 grams of baby onions. First of all, you've got to take the skin off your baby onions. As you can see, we've already done that. And then we're going to just make a cross sign or a plus sign into our baby onions. We're just going to make a slit to go around halfway through. We're not going to go all the way through the onion. And this way, we're going to make a slit in all of our onions. Now we're going to make our stuffing, and for that we will need to add in our gram flour, sesame seeds, cumin powder, dry fenugreek leaves, dry mango powder, garam masala, and crushed peanuts. Then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and then we're going to mix it well. Then once you've mixed it well, we're going to add in around 1 tablespoon of oil, along with around 2 tablespoons of water, and then we're going to mix it in. We want our consistency to be like a paste, so then we can stuff it into our baby onions. Once you've mixed it well and your paste looks a bit like this, we're going to take our baby onions and then we're going to stuff it in. It would be easier to stuff it in with the help of a spoon, as the spoon can go in as well. And then we're just going to stuff all of our baby onions So now we've stuffed all of our baby onions, and as you can see we've got a little bit of batter left which we're going to use when we're cooking the sabji. Now we're going to take a heated pan and add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Then once it's heated, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of our cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, along with our nigella seeds, cloves and dry curry leaves. As you can see, we've got dry curry leaves, but you can add in fresh ones if you've got those too. Then we're going to add in our 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of hing, and just saute it. We're just going to saute it until our garlic turns a little brown. As you can see, the garlic has turned a little brown now, so we're going to add in our juicy tomatoes. And we're just going to saute it for a couple of minutes. If you like our videos, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes. Once your tomatoes have gone a little bit soft, it's time to add in our stuffed baby onions. And then we're going to add in our paste. Then we'll add in around half a cup of water. And just give it a little mix. We're going to cover it and cook it on a low to medium flame for around 7 to 8 minutes. Now it's been 7 minutes and it smells so yummy. I can't wait to try this sabji. We'll just give it another mix. As you can see, now it's starting to really look like a proper yummy sabji. Now we're going to let this cook on a low flame for a couple of minutes. As you can see that now the oil has started to separate on the top layer. This tells us that the onions and the batter have cooked nicely. And now it's time for plating. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!